Hi there. In this video, we are talking about student completion rules. Student completion rules are basically requirements that you place on either course folders or the materials within a course folder that helps you to structure the flow of your course. It makes it so that way students can't get ahead in assignments, or it makes it so that way you can structure or sequence the order in which students are interacting with the materials that you create. There's basically two levels to student completion rules. One is at the folder level, and then one is at the level of the materials within a folder. So we're going to start by looking at the folder completion rules. We're here in the materials tab of our course, and we want to go up here to options, and then we click this little check mark, student completion. The default is that it will set it up requirements must be completed in sequential order. So that means students will have to go through the folders in sequence and do what's in those folders in sequence. So we have a couple options. One is to click make all folders sequential. So if we click that, as you can see, it pops up for the two folders that I had in this course in order, and we can select that the member must complete in this sequence. So that's one option. The other option is to click on add requirement. So like, let's say we just wanted student completion rules on unit 1 folder, but not on unit 2. We could set that up here. So we can select which unit, and then we click on complete, and you'd click save changes. Okay. Let's say we didn't want to set student completion rules at the folder level, but we did want to with the materials within a folder. So we just want to go into that folder then. So we're going to go into unit 1. And just like before, we're going to go to options and then select individually. Oops, that's not what we want. I clicked the wrong thing. Don't do that. You want to click on student completion. There we go. It's too quick. Again, you can click this option, requirements must be completed in sequential order if that's what you want students to do. Or you could go through and select individual requirements for each thing you have in that folder. So let's say click add requirement. It shows you here the different assignments or the different things you have in that folder. So let's say I wanted to set for annotations for poetry, that first assignment, the member must either view the item or make a submission or score at least. So if they need to score at least a certain percentage or mark or point value, you could set that up there. So let's say they have to score at least a 20 out of 25 in order to move on. Let's say for the next assignment then, our unit 1 quiz, we wanted the student to at least make a submission, so make an attempt. And then let's say for the final assignment in this folder, the get to know you, they need to at least view the item. So there's a lot of different options that you have for what the student has to do in order to move on. It's kind of up to you what you choose to have be in sequence or not, whether they need to complete it or not or score a certain score. It's totally up to you, but this helps you to control the pace or the way that students move through your course. You just click save changes, and then you can see here in gray the different requirements or rules that you set on those folders. And that's it.